Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Audra, the marketing and content producer at Sallie Tomato. The wait is over. Today we are unwrapping day 7, which is all about hardware that brings a chic look to your handmade boutique style bags. Day 7, the reindeer flew fast to deliver this delightful package to you on time for this day. We gave them extra treats and we hope you enjoy yours. Today's item includes a 1.5-inch level 3 basic hardware kit and 2 3/4-inch magnetic snaps. These classic hardware pieces add professional functionality to your bags and accessories. The snaps are also easy to install and make your finished projects both stylish and durable. You can find tutorials on how to install magnetic snaps in the links below. We hope these hardware pieces inspire you to add thoughtful details to your sewing creations. The Style 3 basic hardware kit includes 2 D-rings, 2 swivel hooks, and 1 slider buckle. I hope today's item adds a little something special to your season. There might even be still a few advent boxes left on our website, so don't miss your chance. And if we have sold out, sign up for our newsletter below to get early access to when the 2026 advent box launches. Please share and show off photos of your finished projects. We would love to see them. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video and our Advent box, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.